So this is just a quick little video, page 259, question 8. So plan elevation, and they want an in view. So draw the given elevation and plan of the walker. Complete an in view in the direction of arrow A after the lid is open to 45 degrees through point O there. Okay, so when we're drawing this, boys, keep it close to the top. Look, as you can see, it's quite a big drawing, right? I have the elevation and the plan set up already. Simple enough. That's just a pentagon, 72 degrees. They give you the length of one of the sides, they're all the same. So it's simple enough. Hopefully we'll be alright setting that up. Okay? All I'm going to do now is actually rotate the lid up. So it's what we've done before. This circle in here, I'm going to have to divide it 60-30. Bring it up, rotate it, bring it across, and bring it up at 45 degrees and up to find it there. And then I just bring up my shapes then as well. Okay? So there's going to be a lot of lines going on here now, boys, right? So I'm going to divide this up 60-30 first of all. And I'm actually going to get a pen. I'm going to get a pen. So there's going to be a lot of numbering and lettering going on here, right? I'm going to use numbers so for this first of all. So 1 is there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is over here. I'm going to bring them up now to my closed lid position. So 1 is brought up. 2 and 6, 3 and 5, and 4 is brought up, okay? 4 is swung around, so that now is 4 up there. Now I'm going to swing around my other points I've brought up. So this is 1 and 7. So 1, 7, 2 and 6, and 3 and 5. Okay. So we bring straight over into our XY line, X1, Y1. Up at 45 degrees till we hit our XY line. Up at 45 degrees, and then we can go straight up. And we can bring it across. So that's point number 1. So I'm bringing it across. That now is point number 1 here. Exact same with 2. So bring it across till it hits your X1, Y1. Up at 45 degrees. Straight up then. Once it hits your XY line. And you'll bring it across point number 2. Same with number 3. Same with 4. Five. Six. And 7. Okay, I'm going to bring across my points here now as well up the body. Bring up the points from here and bring them across from here. So I'm going to get the main shape drawn. All I'm going to have left to do then is the shapes inside here. Okay, so that's my main body. Starts here. Go straight up to 7. To 1. back of the tie. Okay. And I'm going to bring up my wheels now as well. That's that there. And I'm going to bring up my wheels. That's that for you. And that's it, right? So that is the main shape of it now done with the lid, right? That's the back of it. This bit here then is the lid open. That's the front bit there, that bit there, and my wheel and my wheel. So all I've left to do now is bring these shapes up, rotate them, bring them across, and bring them up here. Right? I'm going to start with this. I'll do the square and the triangle first, because they're probably one of the easiest ones, okay? So I'm going to call the square A, B, C, and D. So we're bringing A, D, B, C up to our closed lid position. Point in the middle there. So I'll point to the compass there. Rotate A, D up to the open position. And rotate B, C. That's A, D, B, C. Same as before then, boys. Bring it across here first of all, into the end view. Then from the plan, bring it across to your X1, Y1, up at 45 degrees and straight up. So down here, A, E, D and C is actually brought up for us already, which is lovely. Already it's point number 4, it's on point number 4. That's B, C. I'm going to darken that in. That's the square done. Yeah, now I'm going to bring up the triangle, okay? So, once again, label it. I'm going to go right this time. X, Y, and Z. So, Y and Z, if I bring these up, right, they're on the same line as my A, D, B, C. So I've that swung already. Alright? So all I need to swing basically is X. So bring up X. Swing it. That now is the position of X. I can bring X across here. Up at 45 degrees. Bring straight up. That now is X. And Y and Z is already brought up for me. That one there. Y and Z. That's my triangle. And now all I have to do is my pentagon, okay? So same thing now again. I'm going to use blue this time. And we'll go E, F, G, H, and I. Same thing now, right? So we've some of these already rotated as well as from other parts of the question. So E and I there now, yeah. I'm going to rotate that one first. E, I, F and H, bring it straight up. That's F and H. And last but not least, G. I'll bring G up. Rotate it around there. And that is G. So I'm going to start with G because I already have G. It's on the simple line. So I'll bring G across there. It's on that same line as 4, so that's G. H is on the same line as 5. So H right across is on the same line as 5. And F is on the same line as 3. F. And E and I now bring across, so this here then is I, and last E, bring it across, bring it up. E, and I can darken that in there. Because E to I to H to G to F and back to E. That's that question fully completed then. So the actual method, lads, we've done loads of times. It's just there was a lot of points to carry. You can see all my lines there and things. There was a lot of points to carry in the whole drawing. That's page 259, question 8, and just be careful with your sizes on the page. So just come down a small bit from the top, because as you can see it takes up the full page.